You Gagra. Then Tamasa comes here. So this is the northern bank of Tamasa, Azamgarh. People were all there. Rama tricked. He moved, crossed Tamasa. Then he has to cross three rivers. Three rivers to cross Gomati. The first river is Vedasruti, small river, tributary of Ganga called Vedasruti. After Vedasruti comes Gomti. Then after Gomti, before going to Prayagraj, he will cross another small river, tributary called Skandika. Vedasruti, Gomti, Skandika, until he goes then to Sringaberpura in Prayagraj. So now he is in Azamgarh. Varanasi is here. He doesn't go through Varanasi. It's proving again and again. So this is Gomti. First river is Vedasruti. He crossed Vedasruti. Then he is going to come to Gomti. Gomti will join Ma Ganga in a place called Kaiti. Gomati's total kilometers running from Himalayas, Gomti Tal, is about 950 kilometers. It goes through major cities: Lucknow, Lakshmanapuri, Sultanpuri, Jaunpur, Kaiti. So now Ramayan in Varanasi is not there in the Rama's early phase of trip. No. He just crosses Vedasruti, goes to Gomti, and the place where the Gomti, he passes Gomti is today's Jaunpur, Sultanpur, Lucknow, Lakshmanpuri, Sultanpur, Jaunpur. So he crosses these rivers diagonally to go to Prayagraj. So Prayagraj is slightly northeast of Varanasi. And in that Prayagraj, northern bank is what? Sringaberpura. So the total distance from where Ram starts the journey on the third day morning, Aslasha day, to reach Prayagraj is 170 kilometers. From Azamgarh to Gomti, to reach Jaunpur, he has to travel 70 kilometers as of today. And then he has to pass 100 kilometers to go to reach Mother Ganges. All in fertile Gangetic plain. So Vedasruti, Gomti, Gomati. Gomane, there are a lot of cows on the banks of Gomati. Valmiki himself says that's the reason Gomti. Now they call it as Gomti. So Gagra, Sarayu, Tamasa, Vedasruti, Gomti, Skandika, all running parallel to Ganges, and they all meet Ganges. Where does Gagra meet Ganges? Chapra near Patna. Where does Tamasa reach Ganges? Fefna in Balia. Where does Gomti reach? Kaiti. Kaiti, these are all Sangama, Prayags. Kaiti is where Gomati reaches. Next to Prayagraj, Triveni Sangamam, the important Prayag is Kaiti, where Gomati meets Ma Ganga. Then Tamasa meets Ma Ganga at Fefna in Balia district. And then the major river Gagra, Sarayu, meets Ma Ganga near Patna in Chapra. So the river enlarges. Tataha Veda Shruti Nama Shivavari Vaham Nadim.